Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare corned beef lasagna. Also, one of my subscribers requested this video. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. The ingredients for this corned beef lasagna will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's what you need to make that lovely corned beef lasagna. You're going to need some ricotta cheese. You're going to need 2 packs of mozzarella. Also, you're going to need 2 cups of cottage cheese. You're going to need your pasta. I'm using 2 corned beef. Also, you're going to need some ketchup. You're going to use 2 packs of red Leicester shredded cheese. I got some dry parsley here. I got 1 egg. You're going to need some dry thyme. I got some chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. I got some chopped garlic. I got some chopped onion here. Also some chopped scallion. Also, you're going to need some chopped sweet peppers. Now you want to start out by removing your corned beef from your tin. As you can see, I have already pulled my tin already. Guys, you want to shake them out of your tin. Just like that. And now you're going to take your fork and mash them out. That's how you want to do it, guys. Just mash out your corned beef, just like that. And meanwhile you're mashing out your corned beef, you just want to preheat your pot to medium heat. This, guys. So you want to mash out your corned beef so it's easier to cook when you put it in your pot. Now you're going to add a 1/4 cup of oil into your frying pan. You're just going to preheat that for about 3 to 4 minutes before you start to add your seasoning inside of it. See when my oil and my pot is preheated. When my oil is hot, I'm going to start out with my onions. And also my scallions now. I'm going to add my sweet peppers in. Also my garlic. And now my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just going to give that a stir. To saute for about 2 minutes. Your bully beef to it, your corned beef to it. See when it's finished sauteing. After that 2 minutes of your seasoned sauteing, now you're gonna add some dry thyme to it. Not much. And a bit of your dry parsley. Just gonna give that a stir now. Now it's time for your corned beef. Just gonna add that in now. Mix up your corned beef and your seasoning. properly, guys. So all that seasoning that you just throw in your frying pan, mix it up with your corned beef properly. Now I'm just going to add a quarter cup of ketchup. Just going to mix around that ketchup and corned beef now. Now you're just going to leave this to cook down for about 5 minutes before you turn it off, guys. See when my corned beef is finished. Now my corned beef is ready. But I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of salt on it, not much. You have it, guys. Now I'm just going to give that a stir. Just stir that around. That's it. Now I'm going to turn it off, guys. So you want to cook your corned beef to prepare it for your lasagna. Yes, guys. Now I'm going to use this basin to make my cheese sauce. I'm using 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 16 ounces of cottage cheese, I'm using 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. I'm using 1 egg. I'm also using 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Now you're going to mix in everything now, guys. Mix it. This is how you want to make your cheese sauce. Mix it in properly. Mix it in until it's blend. This is how you want it to look. Put your parsley, your 1 egg, and your 16 ounces of cottage cheese and 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. Now this is finished mixing up. Yes, guys. There you have it. Now guys, I'm finished making my cheese sauce. Now you're going to get a casserole dish. We Jamaican call it Pyrex dish. You're going to get one to make your lasagna in, guys. Now my pasta is already come pre-cooked. Yes, guys, for the one that is not pre-cooked, you're going to get a pot of water to boil the one that you buy is not pre-cooked and boil it for 8 minutes, and you're going to add it in like what you're going to see what I'm doing here. Yes, guys, these ones already come pre-cooked, so I don't have to boil them. Now before I start out with my lasagna, start to put it into my Pyrex dish, I'm just going to get a basin and mix my mozzarella cheese and my Leicester cheese together. Make it easier for me, so when I'm sprinkling it, so you want to do it, just mix it around. It's more easier for you to sprinkle over this, guys, just like that. Now I'm going to start out by adding my beef in the casserole dish. I'm going to add some in the bottom and then spread it around. So you want to do, guys, just add some in the bottom. And add them in there. You're going to take some more beef, add on top of it. After, you're going to take your cheese, sprinkle over it. some of your cheese sauce, then add on top of that. Just spread that around. So you want to do, guys, add your cheese sauce on top of that. Finish putting on your cheese sauce. You're going to add some more of your pasta to it. Guys, you're going to add some beef to that now. Guys, you're going to repeat the process until you have a 3-layer pasta that you put it in. You're going to sprinkle some more cheese on top of that now. So guys, now you're going to put your cheese sauce over that. Spread it out even. We're going to repeat the process again. Just going to add some more on top of it again. And we're going to put on the rest of your beef. That's how you're going to do it. Now guys, after you finish putting in the rest of your corned beef, now you're going to take the rest of your shredded cheese, just sprinkle over that. Now guys, you're going to preheat your oven on gas mark 4 or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes guys, you're going to preheat it for 5 minutes before you put in your lasagna inside it in the oven. Let it warm up first, guys. Now guys, my oven is preheated. You're going to bake it for 45 minutes to let it bake. See when my lasagna is finished baking. There you have it. After that 45 minutes, my corned beef lasagna is finished. Guys, I also forgot to tell you, before you put it in the oven, you can sprinkle some dry parsley over it, so when the cheese melts, it just melted it. Yes guys, this is my corned beef lasagna. Right now it's hot at the moment, so I'm going to leave it to cool for about 40 to 45 minutes before I have a slice of it, guys. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this corned beef lasagna. You should give it a try too. Until next time.